Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys, and in today's video we're going to discuss about the Bitcoin price, and we're going to discuss about some news that could potentially push Bitcoin price further down. And now let's jump right into it. So as we discussed in previous videos, the Bitcoin price fell in this consolidation pattern from the upside, and now we are consolidating here and waiting for the Bitcoin to break out either on the upside or on the downside. We will see where could this price potentially go when the price breaks this level of support or resistance. One of the things that we mentioned is also that I became a little bit more bearish just because of this 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart that is making us pretty hard time in order to break it, $7,400 also, and break this level of resistance and start new bull market rally. Now the things that occurred in the previous 2 days, including today, we can see that this price is trying to break the level of support of this level here of the price when it makes this low over here, and we do not want to see breaking up this level of support because the whole level of this pattern here, consolidating pattern, will be diminished by that action. So if we see diminished consolidating triangle on this side over here, we can say that this is continuation pattern, which we don't want to see on this chart. Why? Because the difference between this continuation pattern and consolidating triangle, we could say that those consolidating patterns could be some kind of a reversal patterns, which means that there is a chance actually for breaking on the upside to reverse this downtrend on the upside. But the problem here is that we are not going to do that if we break this level of support over here, and we are going to get into the continuation pattern, which means that price will go on the direction that it went before this pattern, which means on the downtrend. Since we start this downtrend, this price will consolidate over here and continue to fall on the downside also. So this is something that we don't want to see, and actually we have some news that could help the price go into the consolidation pattern, and that's not so good. We talk on this channel about news and the technicals also because both of them matters and both of them are actually connected and making this kind of a patterns and price actions, let's say like that, in the Bitcoin sphere or any other assets. And as we can see here, 3 men arrested for running alleged 722 million crypto Ponzi scheme. So if you're new in the space and you don't know what is going on here and why is this so important with the price over here, I will try to explain you, because if you have Ponzi schemes in the Bitcoin world and the cryptocurrency in general, you could see potential dip in the Bitcoin price. Why? If this kind of a Ponzi scheme, so this is the actually dollar worth the fraud and the coins or whatever that they took from the investors, and after that what is going on, those people, those scammers will turn this coin into the converted in the Bitcoin, and after that they will dump the Bitcoin for the dollar, which we are coming to this case over here, and this could help Bitcoin to go further lower, and we could see that very soon because the volume is decreasing here, as you can see, and the price is actually screaming for the breakout. If it's going to be on the upside or the downside, we still don't know yet, but we need to wait and see where the price will move in the next couple of days or even hours. Anytime we could see the breakout. So first we're going to read few sentences over here, and we're going to skip to another news that we could connect with the potential dump or even this news also. United States authorities in New Jersey have announced that arrested of 3 men who are accused of defrauding investors of over 722 million as part of alleged crypto Ponzi scheme BitClub Network, per a December 10th announcement from the Department of Justice. In order to explain you what I'm aiming at, we need to read one more news. If you remember, we did read read this a few days ago. OneCoin website goes offline as Net closes in on 4 billion Ponzi scheme. So this Ponzi scheme is like 5 times bigger than this by US dollars worth, and we can see that this scheme still did not stop with dumping of the Bitcoin because there are more people to be arrested. Also, I'm not going to stay too much over here, and I'm going to tell you some good news also at the end of this video. Just stay tuned. And this is enough added pressure on the Bitcoin price market that could potentially start sell-off of the Bitcoin, because those people could convert those coins into the Bitcoin and start sell off like they did on the OneCoin. And also they still did not finish with the dumping of the Bitcoins, as I read on some other sources. All it remains to be seen how actually could price react on this news and on these dumps, if they're going to continue happening in the future. And this is very important why we need regulation in the space, because we do not want to see any more scams in the space and see the Bitcoin price further down, because some men already did, as we can see here, warn people here about this scam, but they didn't listen. And you can never come to sense those people that are FOMOing into something they didn't even do a research. So be careful where you're putting your money in. Do a proper research before you throw your money into some coin or ICO. You can read the whole news also on our Instagram page, where you can also have the communication with us and other people that are following us to make this clear a little bit more. Now, one interesting and bullish news, let's say from the technical point of view, we can see that the bullish divergence is over here making itself. The price is making the downside while the RSI is showing us the upside, which means that price should follow when the RSI starts going up and retest this overbought level over here. So all it remains to be seen what is going to happen in the next hours. Make sure you watch this level of support over here and see if the Bitcoin will potentially start new rally on the upside and test this level of resistance. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to leave us a like and hit the subscribe button only if you like this video, and if you don't, let us know in the comment section down below what could be better and what kind of content would you like to see on this channel. And until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.